MRecktv.
Nigga, I know, nigga. Do you remember I told you, nigga, not to take that 10 years of probation, nigga? I told you not to take that. I said, man, ask them people if you can go and do 2 years right quick. Hey, man, but shit, but... Hey, man, be honest with you, man, you really walked that shit down better than I could have. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie to you. But I had a 5 and I went back to prison twice, nigga. Yeah. Yeah. Now, really, what happened was, nigga, you became a household name. That really what happened. You know what I'm saying? Like before, motherfucker felt like you had to be a fan of rap to know who the fuck you was. Then you became a household name, and
It's crummy beats, y'all.
Peace, world. To promote your music or promote your business by placing an ad on MRecktv, contact MRecktVpromo, MRecktVpromo at gmail.com. Peace.
Switch things to the opposite way. It's the Mac that the strippers and the groupies pay. Yeah, bands make her dance, you can't juice this J.
We about to terrorize the rap game.
Fuck it right and give it back pain. Ever since a kid, it stayed focused, barely hung out. Pops went to jail, mom Dukes got strung out. Like Jordan with the tongue out, determined to win.
And got the best product out, and you killing the strip. I taught the money gymnastics, I'm making it flip. Hit the block hard, yes, early morning on the wake up. Betty Crocker cook skills, help me get my cake up.
Cussies coming left and right, it feels like the first. The money is a gift, but them bills is a curse. I'm a overachiever, not a superstition believer. I'm good everywhere, like credit from a visa. The rotten apple, you could get shot in your Adam's apple. Giving God praise, leaving out the tabernacle.
Lemon squeeze, trigger 45. I feel like Kevin Costner, bodyguard, holding down Whitney. That paperwork got his name on it. The snitch niggas in there.
Oh yeah, subscribe to MRecktv, youtube.com/MRecktv. I'm gone. MRecktv.
It's got a music.